comparison between the iPhone 8 Plus on the left hand side and the Xperia XZ1 on the right hand side. I am sitting down today, not walking. I have a coffee. I'm testing out the 4K video across both. Instantly you can see that the Xperia XZ1 isn't quite as wide an angle as the iPhone, but that all changes when I jump into the iPhone secondary camera setup with its f2.8 lens. The 2x zoom gets it closer to the action optically, and it's a nice animation, at least on screen, zooming in, zooming out, nice sweet morph cut right there. Taking a look at my coffee, we can see how it handles dark tones, getting a bit closer, nuances of steam, etc. And oh, look, I've steamed up the lens. Nope, it was just the focus a little bit out. Can do a smooth pan now. You should also be able to gauge how the mic's fare. It is windy, but not crazy windy. You can see how windy by looking at the river, and that brings us on to zoom. So it's a 6x zoom on the iPhone, can pinch in on the Xperia XZ1 for an 8x zoom, and let's focus on the same part right there. The iPhone doesn't get in quite as close as the XZ1. It's not quite the same zoom, and in addition to that, it didn't start with quite the same angle. It's slightly wider to begin with. So it's obviously 2x optical, 3x digital. Now we can test out focus. We have a leaf blowing nicely, and we can take it from slightly different angles so we can keep as close to it as possible. And you can see both of these seem to be focusing nicely. Focusing on the table, the line in the table closest focal range, tapping it on the iPhone doesn't kind of tap on the XZ1 because that is continuous autofocus, not tap to focus. But both seem to be focusing on the foreground, creating a nice amount of background light. This is super steady. With the iPhone, how about the 2x zoom? How's the macro focus on that? Looks to be quite good. Pull back a little bit. Yeah, really, really nice. So as long as you can keep a steady hand, the iPhone gives you a huge amount of flexibility with that 2x zoom. And the electrical image stabilization in the tests that we've done fare a lot better after it's been pushed off the screen, because it looks really shaky here, but afterwards post-processing smooths things out. Can point at the sky so we can test out exposure shifting. Can point at ground. Can point at the sky and then point down at the ground. A little bit of movement, fast movement, see rolling shutter, and that's pretty much a video comparison done.